unboxing today. I bought the JAWS system. It stands for Just Add Water system, and it's supposed to be non-toxic, safe for pets, good for the environment, all that stuff. But I did buy the ultimate cleaning kit, and I'm excited to use it. Hopefully I'll have more information in the box. I can read that out to you so that you guys know what I'm talking about. If any of you watch the channel Till Vacuum Do Us Part, you will know that Ashley just loves that. She raves about the granite countertop cleaner. So I'm really looking forward to finding more out about it and how it works. And so let's go open up a box and see what we got. Okay, so it comes with these little pods, and 2 for each. This is a glass cleaner, a disinfectant, the granite cleaner. This is the one I really want to smell. The kitchen cleaner. Oh, okay, hardwood. This is a floor cleaner concentrate, and it looks like Ashley just uses it on any wood. This is the shower cleaner, daily cleaner concentrate. Oh, I love the purple. Okay, and then it comes with, oh, how exciting, the matching towels, all the matching colors. Yep. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and a glass cleaner. It's a softer towel. And they're just microfiber. They feel like any microfiber towel, I guess. Maybe a little softer. Okay, love those colors. And then the jars, or spray bottles, rather. Okay. So excited to, oh, they also have the colors. So you know what everything is. Oh, and it says at the bottom, duh. Okay, a little bit excited. And then there's some information, of course, here. So I'll read this and I'll be back to let you know what we're looking at. Okay, so it's supposed to be a super concentrated cleaner. It says that the first bottle comes pre-mixed and ready to use, but mine didn't. I'm sure it's just a general flyer, not a big deal. It says just to fill the bottle with water, pop in the refill pod, and twist the sprayer on. And then you've got a streak-free clean. It's streak-free, non-toxic. It reduces plastic in the landfills and saves money. So these little pods are supposed to be cheaper than buying a whole new bottle. So good, yeah, it just says it. Refill, reload, reuse. And then the little says a little bit about each cleaner. Good Housekeeping did the testing, and 17 of the cleaner's JAWS was the only cleaner to leave no streaks behind. Well, we'll have to try it then. Ammonia-free, alcohol-free, it provides a streak-free shine on glass, stainless steel, granite, and other hard surfaces, like your smartphone, tablet, and monitor. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna try it on my phone. Can never get that clean enough. The kitchen one, it's good on kitchen residue and leaves surfaces haze-free and streak-free without harming the granite and other surfaces. So you can use the kitchen one on the granite. The shower dissolves and emulsifies soap scum, lime, and mineral deposit on ceramic tile, shower walls, glass, shower doors. Oh, I have a problem with that. Although the last video that I did, and I'll link to it, I never know which way, but I'll link to it, the one that uses vinegar and Dawn dish detergent. It's amazing. Amazing. Dishwashing liquid. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And then the hardwood one. Again, it just is haze-free. You'll see the wood, not the cleaner. So, yeah, that's what it does. That's what we're working with. So let's put it to the test.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious.
So overall, I am very impressed with these cleaners. I was able to use the kitchen cleaner. I use that on the stove, and normally when I wipe down my stove, especially like where the clock area is, you can kind of see like a little film over it that leaves the streaks, and it's not there now. It's just perfectly clean. I really was impressed with that. I didn't use the disinfectant cleaner. I'll probably use that in my bathroom. I used the hardwood on my cabinets and was really impressed. I had made buttercream frosting the other day, and when you put the powdered sugar in the blender, it kind of poofs up and gets everywhere. So that was kind of left on the cabinets along with some dirt and grime, of course. But I cleaned them very well. I was very impressed. I don't have hardwood floors. They look like wood. They're actually ceramic tile. So I'm just going to continue doing what I was doing on the floors before, which is my e-cloth mop. Love that also, e-cloth mop. I didn't use the shower cleaner, but I am excited to put that to the test against the vinegar and the Dawn. That's in a video to come. The glass cleaner, I used that on the refrigerator because it said you could. I figured I would give it a try, and I was very happy with the results. Usually I use the stainless steel wipes. Don't remember the name of the brand that I usually use, but I use this. So between the cleaner, the cloth, and the polishing cloth, that really gave it a nice shine, and all the fingerprints are gone. I never noticed being able to do that with the glass cleaner before, so big thumbs up for that. And the granite cleaner, it does smell really good. Ashley was right. Thank you, Ashley, from Vacuums Do Our Part, if you watch this video. But I did really like the smell. It's not overpowering. It's just a clean, light scent. Mrs. Meyer's, I love Mrs. Meyer's. I'll continue to use that too. But Mrs. Meyer's, it smells very strong, and the scent lasts for a few days, which I love. But at first, it is a little bit overpowering. But this is not. It smells good, and it leaves a beautiful shine on the countertops. No streaks, which is what it claims. No haze. So I was very happy with these. And what I'm thinking about doing is, since I'm getting so close to my 100 subscriber mark, is that whoever wins can pick the cleaner of their choice, and I'll send them a brand new one, of course. I'll order it from the website, and whichever one they choose. So that sounds exciting to me, so I think I'm going to do it since I like them so much. Now, I did just start using them. This is the first day, so I'm going to continue them to put them to the test, and I will give you an update at the 100 subscriber giveaway video. So I'm super excited. Also, if you sign on to the website, if you are interested in purchasing the cleaners, they do have a 15% off coupon code. When I bought them, I used Ashley's coupon code, which was Ashley20. I'll link it in the description box. I'm not sure if it's still active, so I was able to get 20% off with that coupon, which was a pretty good deal for everything that I got. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you keep watching and you subscribe. Give me a big old thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel grow. And I'll see you in a video soon.